Turn your life around and say goodbye to the poor version of you. It is time for you to step into your new life, to manifest wealth and abundance, and to become financially free. So close your eyes and take a deep breath. Fill your body with fresh new energy, and then release negativity and stress as you breathe out. So breathe in relaxation and breathe out toxic thoughts and emotions polluting your body and mind. Breathing in deeply and breathing out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, following your own rhythm and following your own tempo. Just relax and take in this moment of total transformation. Now in your mind's eye, see yourself as the version you want to become. The abundant you, the rich you, and the successful you. What does this version of you look like? How do you dress? How do you walk? How do you talk? What are you doing as this abundant version of you? Perhaps you're packing a suitcase, ready to go on a vacation. Perhaps you're starting your own business. Perhaps you're out enjoying your life with friends and family. Or perhaps you're enjoying a cozy night at home, enjoying the freedom you now have because of the money that is consistently coming into your life. See yourself as the version that makes you feel excited and inspired. And notice how happy this version of you is. Experience the joy this other you is experiencing. Allowing yourself to feel and allowing your heart to be open. Now remove the barrier between you and this other you as you say to yourself, "This is me. This is my life. This is my reality." Unite the two versions of you and make them one as you speak your new truth and tell the universe who you are. As you say it once again, "This is me. This is my life. This is my reality." Feel it inside of your heart and know this is who you are. Now listen to these powerful affirmations and let the words replace your old limiting beliefs. I am rich. Never-ending streams of money are flowing into my life. I attract money like a magnet. I always have more than enough money. The universe keeps sending me more money. Every day, I am receiving money from unexpected places. Making money is so easy. Money naturally gravitates towards me. I have countless streams of passive income, all generating money for me. I make money from so many different sources. I know money is always coming my way. I feel safe knowing money keeps coming. I am great at making money. I am good at managing my wealth. I know how to invest my money. I make wise decisions regarding money. I let go of old beliefs. I let go of my old way of thinking. 'Cause I know that what I focus on, I will attract. So I focus on prosperity, wealth, and abundance. I replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. I replace lack and scarcity with abundance and overflow. I replace self-doubt with faith and trust. And I replace hoping with expecting. 'Cause I create my own reality. If I say I am rich, I am rich. So I believe in my new reality. 'Cause if I believe it, I will receive it. I trust in the law of attraction. I understand the power of the universe. I know that what I ask for, I will receive. 'Cause that is just how the universe works. The moment I said I was rich, I became rich. The moment I said I was wealthy, I became wealthy. The moment I said I was abundant, I became abundant. So now, by the law of attraction, I am rich, wealthy, and abundant. Now take a deep breath, and then slowly and gently open your eyes. You have now created your new reality, and now you must keep flooding your mind with affirmations that align with your new beliefs, and affirmations that raises your vibration so that you are living on a high frequency of divine manifestations And one way to do this is with the help of gratitude. So watch this next video so that you can manifest money and abundance as fast as possible.